For this low updo, we are going to take 2 simple 3-strand braids and pin them up to achieve a low bun. First, you're going to take your hair and separate it into 2 sections, and then you're going to move one section off to the side. You can either hold it together with a hair elastic or a clip. I just pushed mine out of the way. And then with the other section, you're going to take the hair and braid it down to the end in a simple 3-strand braid. I sped it up here so that it doesn't take as long, but you can see it's braided down to the end, and then once you're finished, you can tie it off with an elastic. I recommend either a hair elastic that matches your hair color or a small clear elastic so that it's easier to hide when you're pinning the hair at the end. This is a small hair elastic. Once you've done the first side, you can go ahead and braid the second section of hair that you originally pushed off all the way down to the end as well, and then tie that off again with another hair elastic. This one is also brightly colored so that we can see where we're pinning them later. This is the creative part of the hairstyle. You're going to pin and tuck the 2 braids that you've just created however you want and however your hair falls best. If you have longer hair than my mannequin, you're going to end up pinning and using more bobby pins than I am here, but it just depends on the final look that you want. You can start off by tying the braids together like when you start tying your shoes, or you can just pin them and twist them in whatever way feels best for you and most secure. I'm just going to finish pinning the braids here and making sure all of the extra pieces are out of the way. If you use a small hair elastic or one that's a different color closer to your hair, then they hide easier. And this is the final result. Fairly simple, but it looks elaborate.